Welcome to the Open Broadcaster demo. This is Ina Gogina and I will be providing a tutorial on how to use the Open Broadcaster software for creating screencasts on Windows. Open Broadcaster is a free open source program that allows you to both stream live and record a screencast to a video file. I'm using the Open Broadcaster, for example, to record this video tutorial. The Open Broadcaster software, or OBS for short, works on all recent versions of Windows, including Windows 7, 8, and 10. Note, however, that recording and streaming a video is a very CPU-intensive operation, and in order to meet minimum system requirements, your computer must have Pentium Core Duo or higher and support the DirectX 10 suite of multimedia technologies. The program can be installed from the OBS website, obsproject.com. Two packages are currently available: the OBS Classic, right here, released in last November, and the OBS Studio, released last month. I'm going to demonstrate here how to use the OBS Classic. To download the Classic version of Open Broadcaster, simply click on the green button that says Windows 7, 8, 10, and you will receive a prompt to open the installer file, like here. Click Save File in order to save the installer on your computer. I already have installed the program, so I'm going to just click Cancel. Then you're going to find that installer file where you saved it. I saved it on my desktop, for example, and click on it to install the Open Broadcaster program. You will see the Open Broadcaster software setup wizard. To install the program, simply follow the installation wizard instructions. I'm not going to do it because I have already that program installed, so I'm going to click Cancel here. You may also be prompted to download the DirectX components here that OBS requires. Go ahead and install those as well. When you first run the Open Broadcaster program, your screen will default to the blank screen. This particular screen right here. I'm going to center it so you can better see it. That's because you haven't added a source yet. To add a source, right click here under the sources in this white box. You will see the add prompt. Point at the add and you will see the variety of sources here: Windows Capture, Monitor Capture, Image, Text, and so on. Window Capture will capture a single window, while Monitor Capture will capture your entire desktop. So you will see here that I already have selected the Monitor Capture. Then if the arrow feature is enabled on your monitor, you will get a warning about that as well. On Windows 7 and Vista, it is recommended to disable arrow when using Monitor Capture. Go ahead and disable that. In order to do that, you go to Settings and then Video, and then select the Disable Arrow checkbox and then click Apply. Then you will need to also set up a setting to have your screencast saved to a local file. To do that, go to Settings and then Broadcast Settings, and then switch the mode from live stream. There's a live stream and the default setting is a live stream. You will need to change from live stream to file output only. And then once you've selected the file output only, you will need to pick the path, the file path, where that video file will be saved on your desktop. You see here that I've set up a folder called Info250 on my desktop to have the screencast file saved there. And then once you've done that, click Apply, Here, this will be enabled, and then click OK. Here, as I mentioned, you can also add text or image overlays to your screencast by adding other types of sources and positioning them in a certain way on your screen. These overlays can function as watermarks, for example, preventing other people from claiming credit for your screencast, like you can add a copyright notice, or just reminding people of your brand. You'll find more options for controlling the video and audio encoding, resolution, and microphone settings in the settings dialog. So here, for example, if you wanted to control the video, you can use the video. Then you can set up, configure the audio settings. You can set up hotkeys, for example, here to start and stop recording, and so on. So I'm just going to go ahead and click OK. Finally, once you have configured all the settings for your screencast, you'll need to restart the OBS program. So you'll need to actually exit or close it and then reopen it again. And don't worry, any settings you already have configured will be saved. To start recording your screencast, you will have to click a Start Recording button, and this button is currently not displayed because the recording is in progress. But when you first start, you will see here the Start Recording button. So just go ahead and click it, and to stop recording, you will have to stop click the Stop the Recording button right here. You will, while you're recording, you will speak into your microphone that you had set up. So whatever microphone you're using, just speak into that, and the OBS program will add your voice to the video file. You can configure the microphone in the audio settings, as I showed you previously. Finally, when you're done, just click Stop Recording. And then to view the actual screencast file, you will go to the folder that you had set up in the file path in the settings, and you will see the video file saved here. That's the file of your recorded screencast. You can then edit the saved screencast file in video editing programs, send this file to others. You can upload it to Facebook, YouTube channel, Vimeo, or you can use the link then from the YouTube. For example, I'm going to upload it on my YouTube channel and then post that link into the discussion forum for this assignment. This concludes the Open Broadcaster demo. Thank you for viewing my tutorial. I hope you find it helpful for your own screencast projects. Goodbye.